For the most part, when it comes to where you should sell, I tend to go with two possible variations of the answer. All right. So the first variation of the answer is sell in your own market. So if you are in Australia, sell in Australia. If you are in Germany, sell in Germany. There are a significant amount of benefits to be had by doing that, particularly when it is your first product that you're selling, okay? It is just significantly easier for you as a beginner to sell in your own marketplace than it is to sell in a foreign marketplace. You understand the market, you understand the culture, you understand the lingo. If you're ordering your product from within your own marketplace, domestic ordering for instance, you can call people and talk to them. There's lots and lots of cool reasons to do that. So if you're a beginner, 99 times out of 100, my advice is to start in your own marketplace. And there are significant opportunities, as I've shown you already, and it's easy to find products to sell, no matter which marketplace you're selling in, all right? So that's my beginner answer, and Stefan, that is my beginner answer for you. The second and more intermediate answer to that question is you should sell where your customers are. So whenever I'm looking at putting a new product together, I don't start with the product. I am not interested at all in the product. What I'm interested in is the customer and who the customer is and what is the problem that they are trying to solve. That's a far more marketing driven way to think about product selection than anything else. So if you find a significant group of people all with a similar problem in Germany, for instance, that they want to have barbecues out in the backyard, but they want to find a way to clean their barbecues, like this for instance, barbecue cleaners, then that makes sense to then set up a business in Germany to supply that pre-existing demand. So it's a different way of thinking about it, and it's a more higher level way of thinking about it. But I find that if I think about the customer first and foremost, the product selection takes care of itself. I'm going to say that again because it's extremely important. If I start with the customer and who the customer is, their wants, needs, desires, problems that they face in their day-to-day life, if I start with that person, the product selection takes care of itself because you'll understand what that person needs and then you can simply supply it to them. Now clearly you've got to have enough of those people to create a demand, but that's a different way and a more advanced way of thinking about product selection processes. Amazon in Germany is a massively profitable market to be on. I sell in Germany and it's done very, very well for us. It is the second biggest marketplace out of all the Amazon marketplaces. So it goes Amazon.com, then Amazon.de, which is the German marketplace, then Amazon.co.uk for the UK market. But the German marketplace is a narrow amount, but it comes a close second to the .com. There's a lot of money to be made here, and just like Australia, there is a demand, and there is nowhere near as much competition as there is on Amazon.com. So there is big demand, but nowhere near as much supply as you would find on somewhere like Amazon.com. So again, a very, very good market to sell on. So if you understand the German market, yes, I would definitely be selling here. It makes an inordinate amount of sense, and there's a lot of money to be made selling on Amazon in Germany. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.